If you suspect that your TikTok account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access. Follow these steps to secure your account. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you are logged out, proceed to the login screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, select the Forgot Password option. This will allow you to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose your recovery method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive a password reset link. Options typically include email or phone number associated with your account. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions. Step 4. Reset your password. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link. Click on the link and enter a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access to your account, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to help prevent future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can regain access to your TikTok account and enhance its security to protect against future suspicious activity. Always remember to monitor your account regularly for any unusual behavior.